This is the only Gel X nail tutorial you'll ever need. I'm going to show you how to transform your nails into looking like this in 2.5 simple minutes. First, you're going to get your Gel X nail tip, flip it on its inside, and etch the inside with your sanding band. This just makes it rough up the surface so the product can stick. Flip it over and rough up the surface on the outside of the cuticle. This will just help you whenever you're getting ready to seal the cuticle, which will make it last longer. I've already prepped and primed the natural nail, so I'm using the Extend Gel on the natural nail, putting a little layer. You're not going to cure that. I put some Extend Gel on the nail tip, and now I'm going in at a 45-degree angle and making sure the gel just flows naturally to the end of the free edge. Now I'm going to use my finger to keep it in place while also flash curing it so that it can stay. And once you realize that it has stayed, you're going to cure the whole hand for 1 minute. Now using that same sanding band, I'm going to etch the outside of the nail tip. I do this because I don't like using a base coat for my polishes, so whenever you rough the surface, the gel polish will immediately stick to that. I'm going all around making sure there's no more shiny product on the outside. Now I'm using a brush dipped in acetone, and I'm going to blend the cuticle in with the nail tip. This basically melts the nail tip, since it's plastic, into your cuticle, and this step is essential in order to get the longest retention you want out of your Gel X nails. This basically will help no air or water getting trapped under your nails or any hair as well. This basically just seals the nail all in together. Now, since we're doing French tips, I'm doing just a jelly base, kind of similar to your skin tone. I wanted to make sure the base color was very opaque so that nothing would pop out, or when it grows out, you would not see your natural nail growing out along with the French tip. I did 2 coats of that jelly neutral polish. Now I'm going in with a pure white color. I'm using a long liner brush, and what I like to do is work from the outside going in. I know this step looks pretty tedious and it looks like it has to be perfect, but honestly, the more you do this, the faster you'll be, and you'll realize the small mistakes you've made, and I'm cleaning it up right there. It's just easier for it to be more precise, especially since I'm doing a black outline right now. It has to look nice because the black is going to show everything. So for this nail, I felt most comfortable just going step by step. I was not going to just do one full swipe, so I went from the out going in, and then on the outline, that's the easiest part, honestly. You're just gonna color it in like a coloring book and just make it look all nice and sharp. This is the best top coat ever. This is a Koopa gel top coat. It makes it so shiny, and I like just making sure it's lathered on. I don't know, I don't care about using a lot of product like this, so it just makes it look the best. And after that, your nails are all done, and that's how you do Gel X nails for beginners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment any new nail techniques you want me to try, or just any tutorials you want to see.